Hey guys, welcome back to Give Your Hair a Kiss. I'm Kiss and this is Back to Beauty School. Back to beauty school, doing things like test sets. So in this episode, we're doing another portion of the New York State Board practical examination. Okay, so, I can already smell my curling iron getting hot. Great. So we've already done the wet set portion. Your mannequin will look a little something like this. I already took the cotton off because, I did. And I already took my pink curls out because I did. So now we're going to move on to the thermal styling portion of the exam, which includes the blow dry and the curling iron. Great, yes. So all this is gonna come out. Your mannequin's gonna be damp. So that kind of puts you in the best position to blow it out and do those curls. Okay, everything comes out. Lovely, wonderful. So for this portion of the exam, you should have your blow dryer with a condenser nozzle and a brush of any size. And to me, that says grab a big round brush and just cut the time out, You've got 15 minutes for the blowout, I believe. Yeah, top and side, 15 minutes for the blowout. Get rid of anything you don't need. This goes in your trash, these go in your soils. So for this portion of the exam, you can secure your curls on top, but not on the side. 15 minutes on the clock. No random drying, which means we can't rough dry. Great. Great. Let's work in sections. They want to see you working in sections. Great. Let's do it. Okay, and they're really looking for control of airflow, control of the brush, and a nice smooth section. So while you're doing this blowout, be thinking of the next section is the curling portion. So get that nice and smooth from go so you don't have any trouble with your curls. all about tension and direction. This is probably the most zen part of the exam. It's just 15 minutes of casual blow dry. That's it. That's the blow dry portion. Top into the side. It says you can choose either side. I like the side where I'm going to put those curls. So we're going to do barrel curls and then spiral curls. So it makes sense to go ahead and prep the next section you're going to be working on. Think ahead. So any spare time you have, remember, clean up your section, your work area, remove anything you don't need. You will lose points. Just go ahead and make sure you're ready for your next section. For that section, we are going to need a comb. We're going to need some setting pins, 6 of them, for either side of the barrels. And we're going to need our curling iron getting nice and hot. This is not a state board approved curling iron. What they're looking for is the Marcel curling iron. We're just gonna cheat that today because that's the first thing I got rid of out of beauty school. Yeah. Also, no product is allowed during the blowout portion or the thermal curling portion. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The blow dry portion is over. So we're gonna move on to the thermal styling. It's also 15 minutes. So we're gonna put 15 minutes on the clock. Got my curling iron heated up. I've got all my tools ready to go. All right, top section. You know what? Let's start with the side. That makes more sense. One, two, three. They can go towards the face or away from the face. Keep your comb in your hand the entire time. They want to see that. And I'm going to go away from the face. Right at the root. If this was a Marcel, we would do that. Click, click. I'm holding it there for a second because I'm cooling our hydrogen bonds so this curl will stay in that nice spiral without product. I'm just using my comb to do that. So make sure you're using a comb that is heat resistant. Perfect. And you start at the base of the curl and wind everything in. 3 spiral curls. Now 3 barrel curls, so we're going. Same with the rollers. We're gonna do 1 on base, 1 half on base, 1 half off base. So over direct, 90 degrees, over direct. All right, so we're going half off base. Start at the base, curl that bad boy in, control those ends, make sure you get those ends. Whoop. They don't want to see you starting here and rolling in. That's not gonna work. They want to see you going right at the base. Let's get those barrel curls. Pinned. One on each side. Next section. We're going half on base. So straight up, 90 degrees. Grab that iron, right at the base. Control your ends. Curl that bad boy in. Two beans. Last one. And this one, kind of going out so that it sits right on the section, right on the base. Right on the base. Control those ends. Wrap them in. Give it a second, pull it out. Nice and neat. Nice and neat. With 4 minutes left on the clock, I'm gonna go ahead and clean up my space and wait for the proctor to come and examine my curls. Grab the towel from your workspace, wrap your iron up, put it away. You do not need it for the rest of the exam. Same thing with your round brush, pack it away. You don't need it. You don't need your blow dryer for the rest of the exam. Get it out of your workspace, keep things neat, keep things clean, and then go ahead and grab your disinfectant, wipe down your surface area. Ooh, time's up. So try to comb out your mannequin as best you can at the beginning of the exam and get whatever is in the hair from the packaging out so that you have a clean enough space to work. And that's it. That is the blow dry and thermal curl portion of the New York State Board practical examination for cosmetology. I was really stressed out when I did this, when I went for my license. Then again, I'm not a fan of the Marcel iron. Like, this move with the pinky and the clicking and the bar, it just doesn't work for me. I like this. And hey, that is a preference. Great. So thank you guys for joining me today. If you are considering enrolling in beauty school and looking at a career in appearance enhancement, remember to hit that subscribe button, give me a like, share it all around, and follow me on social media, Instagram and Facebook, Give Your Hair a Kiss, and check out my products and exclusive offers at giveyourhairakiss.com. I'll see you guys later.